my lady.
Salud. Pendeja, cabrona, estúpida.
Can you count to 1 million?
Daddy doesn't count, Daddy fucks.
Can you try counting to 1 million?
1 million? Daddy's got a better count. How many beers Daddy can drink before passing out?
Thank you for shopping at Walmart. Your total will be, $5,090.56. Do you want a receipt?
No, but can I kiss the employee?
No!
What the hell is going on over here, Joker Persona 5 Tactica?
Oh, sorry, boss. I just sneezed. Ha ha.
I'm still waiting.
Shut the fuck up, you zest fest!
You're fired.
I know.
He wasn't gonna shoot you until you shoot him! The one that killed me! He killed you!
Please, Daddy.
I told you, when I'm finished, you can have what's left.
There won't be any left. There's never any left.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Okay, that's the works. Add that. Boom, bop, and there you go, sir.
Audition. What audition? Why, for the American Jolly Farm, of course. Now, which picture? Playful or more playful? Who the fuck took these?
Just get rid of him already. Dance, you fuck. Dance for them. Yes. Yes.
Good luck. I'm already dressed.
Well, I'm also dressed. And I made breakfast. Wait, where are my eggs?
In my belly.
Shut up and sleep with me. Come on, why don't you sleep with me? Shut up and sleep with me.
Apparently, our subscriber, he said if you see an anomaly banging his head on the glass, give him a coffee, and if it's a full coffee, take 2 sips of it so you're not wasting good coffee. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that real quick. All right, so let's take 1 sip, 2 sips, and then let's give him the coffee. Oh, ask to leave. Wait, we can give him coffee to ask him to leave? Bro, I didn't even know that. Wait, the coffee made him seeming to calm down. Is he gonna leave now? Okay. Wait, that actually worked!
Hello, your neighbor. Goodbye, see you later. This place was on for you to fancy it to get from me. Yeah! Hello, your neighbor. Goodbye, see you later. This place was on for you to...
Of us hold hands, then it's not so scary anymore.
Yeah, it feels safer with...
Wait, what do you mean 3? Who's the third person?
The person who's right over there holding the other hand. Can't you see him?
No, tell him to stop. I don't want him touching me.
Gotcha, just kidding. I didn't know you were such a big scaredy cat.
Yeah, you got me all right, but don't do it again.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I
Oh,
Oh!
I'll give you $20 if you don't tell. Now get out.
Okay.
Alright, looking normal.
Woo! I got this! I got this!
I'm back in this bitch. I'm back in this bitch.
This is not good. I think this is the end.
Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead.
My name is Andrew Dingus.
Oh, shittings.
He's coming back!
You good, bro?
One, two, here we go. Three.
This hospital game looks harmless when you start, but the longer you go, things get weirder and weirder. You have to heal patients while rejecting or shooting the skinwalkers, all while drinking coffee to maintain your sanity. I know coffee's how I get my sanity. This game has been mega trending on Roblox, and you should go check it out. Here are the last 5 people who subscribed, and if you want a shout out, make sure you subscribe.
Screaming in public restrooms, please.
Alright, let's go.
Don't grab me. If you grab me, I'm gonna bite you. I swear to God, if you grab me, I'm gonna bite the fuck out you. You're gonna let me go. I'm a dog. People don't understand. People don't understand what I meant by fighting to survive. I'm fighting like my life on line.
Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike. Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike. Max. Dustin, Lucas, Will. Dustin,
Kabalus!
sure it's on low.
Я не я, пока не выпью кофе. Жизненно. Да, все люди на 95% состоят из воды. Также я на 95% состою из кофе. И если я выпил кофе, то все, ребенок счастлив. Но если мне не дали чашечку кофе, также я. Адвокат! Адвокат! Типичный ты. Типичный ты. Типичный я.
Cada paso, cada voz tiene un ritmo natural. Nada me va a detener. Hoy me toca enloquecer. Con amigos alrededor, todo tiene más sabor. Buena vibra, buena energía, sonriendo todo el día. Si la vida quiere bailar, yo la saco a pasear. Buena vibra, buena emoción, late fuerte el corazón. Que se quede esta sensación, mucho más que una canción. Gente nueva por conocer, historias que van a crecer. Cada momento es mejor cuando se vive sin temor. No hace falta mucho.
¡No me interrumpas cuando hablo con la muerta! Chanel número 2. Si realmente eres tú, usa tu magia de muerta para decirme cuántos tampones tengo en mi bolso. Dijo 9. Es cierto. Lo supo.
¿Por qué necesitas 9 tampones? ¿De qué tamaño la tienes?
Gucci flip flops, fucking hit your bitch. Gucci flip flops, fucking hit your bitch in the side.
Looks every day. It's so fun to play when you're in the hay, or when you go and stay.
Clementine! Get your fucking hands off my daughter, bitch!
I'll kill you! Motherfucker got me fucked up!
500 cigarettes.
It's okay. We just have to be super quiet.
Es hora de acostarse, hermosa.
Sí, ya es hora de hacer la meme.
Ay, ya la matamos.
¡Ay, no!
Oh, estos cólicos están matándome.
Yo puedo tomar esos cólicos y pasárselos a Jack si así lo deseas.
¿Puedes?
Jeesuksen pillun nyt saatte kuolla.
To expand my butt cheeks on your forehead
While you're sleeping and let out the most disgusting, greasy
steamer that's ever been uttered by a human being, and you're gonna wake up with double pink eye.
Do you understand?
So cute! So cute!
Then I realize what it is. There's a man in back of this place. He's the one who's doing it.
not good. I think this is the end.
Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead.
My name is Andrew Dingus.
Oh, shittings.
Fuck are you talking about?
My game glitched, and when did he hot a fucking tail?
Get in here, bitch! You fucking heard me.
This is not good. I think this is the end.
Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead.
My name is Andrew Dingus.
Oh, shittings.
He's coming back!
Bruh. Okay.
Candace, are you still with us?
Day 29 of finding actually fun Roblox games. In this Roblox game, you are an animal running an animal hospital. But this is not your normal hospital. There are anomalies around, and you have to make sure none of them come in. Treat patients, perform surgeries, and make sure none of them die. There are multiple events that happen, so every shift feels different. Gather your friends now and start playing. The game name is Animal Hospital.